What's going on, guys? It's Brett again with Brett's Mobile Wash and Wax, here today working with Republiccarclub on another detailing video. Today we're going to be detailing an M2. And today I'm going to talk about why I choose to use a rinseless wash over a 2-bucket method. In theory, the 2-bucket method works, but you'd have to end up using 3 or 4 buckets because eventually that clean water that you rinse your mid off in will get dirty. With this method, I never ever re-enter dirt into the solution. It never gets dirty. I never reuse a microfiber. Once the microfiber is dirty, I toss it into a dirty bucket and continue with another clean microfiber towel. That's why this is by far the safest method, and there's no real way to introduce any new scratches onto the paint. So I have my bottle of O&R, the same dilution ratio as what's in the bucket, and I'll spray down the panel to pre-treat it. And what that's doing is the O&R solution is surrounding the dirt, encapsulating it, emulsifying it, which is breaking it down, and then creating an ionic bond, which is almost the same effect as when you take 2 positive magnets and try and put them together. There's that resistance. It creates the same resistance between the dirt and the panel. So once I pre-soak it, and then using a microfiber that's been soaked in a bucket of the O&R, so it has lubricity and all the polymers on it, I take, and from top to bottom, you just wipe in one straight motion the panel. And all the dirt is then trapped right here, and I'll clean, move to a new edge, wipe another panel. And now the dirt is trapped in these 2 lines. This panel is now clean, decontaminated, and there's a layer of carnauba wax left behind with this O&R. I then take the dirty rag, and I put it in my dirty rag bucket, and it never re-enters the solution. So this solution always stays clean. That's why this is the safest method. Alright guys, so after I wipe down the panel, I'll then take a clean microfiber and just dry everything up. As you can see, the panel's clean. There's no dirt whatsoever on this rag. It's a clean panel. I'm just drying off any of the residual water left over. There's a layer of organic carnauba wax left behind, so you will get a bit of a deeper shine and a bit of a layer of protection. But I wouldn't exactly call this a wax. I'd still recommend doing, if you have the time, a paste wax, or what I'm going to do today is use McGuire's Express Synthetic Spray Wax. And that'll leave a much better layer of protection behind after you wash the car. Guys, when you're doing this right, there's going to be lines of dirt going across your microfiber, because as you're wiping, you flip to a new edge. So you get, instead of 1 wipe out of a microfiber, you can get 4 or 5 if you do it correctly. That's what these lines of dirt are. And then you know the panel is completely clean and decontaminated after to dry it with a rag safely. Alright guys, only about 20 minutes. I've completely cleaned, decontaminated the car. There's no surface contaminants left. It's now got a light layer of carnauba wax. And what I'm going to do to finish it off is this is going to be McGuire's Synthetic Express Spray Wax. It's a great product, very, very affordable. I think a gallon's about $30. This will give you incredible results. Really easy, just spray it on, massage it, and wipe it off. It works really, really great on glass. I'll never detail a car and leave it without first putting the synthetic spray wax on all the glass.